Hey guys, so it's been about 6 months since my Achievement Unlocked video where I solved 5 Rubik's Cubes blindfolded at the same time. Yes! And while I'm still proud of that achievement, I know that there are people who have done things far superior to that. People have solved 50, 60, 70 cubes blindfolded at once, so I wanted to do something that no one has ever tried before. So I wanted to do solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded while running on a treadmill. And I looked it up online. I haven't seen anyone that's tried to do this before, probably because they don't want to wear a blindfold while running on a treadmill. And I tried to do that, and I ended up tripping and falling and almost breaking my leg. So instead of actually wearing a blindfold, I decided to solve it behind my back, which in and of itself is its own challenge, especially while you're running, because it reorients the way you think of the cube and all of this. So I went down to my local fitness center, and this is what happened. Also, guys, keep in mind that I set the treadmill to be running at 8 minutes per mile. Anything slower than that, and I feel like you're not actually running, you're just jogging. Hello, you are listening to the sultry sound of me. I'm recording this after I've already solved it blindfolded on the treadmill, and I just thought I'd share some of the thoughts I had while I was doing it. So right now I'm memorizing the cube, and I have the treadmill set at 8 minutes per mile. I was a little bit tired because I had already tried it 2 more times in that same day and I had failed, so I was getting pretty exhausted. Alright, now I've begun solving, and people don't realize just how difficult it is to turn the Rubik's Cube behind your back. Every turn, the longer you turn it, the more and more tired your arms get, the more tired your body gets, and on top of that, I'm getting more and more tired just from running at 8 minutes a mile. This particular memorization sequence required a lot of extra turns, more than the average, and so I was just praying that I'd be able to get through it without getting exhausted.
And if you're still watching this, right now I'm on the very last algorithm and I'm about to solve the whole thing, and I was extremely relieved once I had done it.
Solved blindfolded on a treadmill. So there you go, guys, achievement unlocked. And not just achievement unlocked this time, but as far as I know, since no one else has done this before, this is the world record for solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded while on a treadmill, running at least 8 minutes per mile. I'd like to dedicate this achievement unlocked / world record to a very dear friend of mine, Mike Koch, who inspired me to combine fitness and solving Rubik's Cubes, because he was the one who 7 years ago this week solved the very first Rubik's Cube one-handed while doing one-handed push-ups. And I've always gone back to that video, and it's inspired me, and I'm sure a lot of other people. And hopefully with this video, I'll inspire a lot of you guys to try a lot of other fitness / mental challenges. And thanks very much, guys. I'll see you soon.